Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use encode URL formula in your Google Sheets. So I have a dump here which has search terms, and then I'm going to convert these text into encoded format, and then I'll make them as a searchable links. Now I have real life examples also here uh, below this dump. So first of all, let's understand what is encoded URL or encode URL. Okay, now I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to search hello world. Now if you see hello world is having the space in between, but when you look at the URL, it doesn't have any space. It is added with plus symbol. So similarly, whenever you want to convert them as a search friendly, you use encode URL formula. Now I'm going to use encode URL. I'm going to select the formula and the word search term I have selected. Now I'm ending the parenthesis and hit enter. So I'm going to click on auto suggestion, and now you can see every keyword is now converted as encoded URL, which means they do not have any space in between them. Now let's say I want to convert them as a searchable link. So when I click on it, it should be redirecting me to Google and show like this. So let's do it. So first of all, I need URL. So I'm going to use hyperlink because I'm making the search term converted as a hyperlink. So I'm going to select hyperlink from the drop down from the formula list, and then I'm going to select I'm going to write the link. So I'm going to search in Google. So I'm going to write google.com/search $Q equals to. So this is a basic syntax of uh, Google search. So you can take it from the Google. So once you search something, you can copy from the URL from here. Let me show you. From here you can take it. So google.com search $Q equals to. So till now you can take it and paste it in your Google Sheets. Now I'm going to combine this with this encoded URL, which is hello world, and now I'm making the search term as a clickable link. Now let's see, hope this works. Okay, let me add HTTP also in case to avoid errors. :/. Okay, cool. Now let me see if it works. Yeah, it's working, and it's directly redirecting me to hello world page. Now this is quite a task when you can directly go on type Google hello world. Why we are using formula and coding this, and then again converting this as hyperlink, clicking on it. So there is a catch behind it. Yes, if you have only one word, one single instance, you can do directly go on Google and type it down. But let's say you're working on Google Analytics or search related queries where you want to check each and every query by clicking on it, what is the status of it. So you have just the search words, and you need to check the results or check the status of those websites or keywords or anything sort of. So to convert, like, this is the huge dump I have here. So it may be thousands, hundreds of them. So I'm going to create this as clickable links for me. First I'm going to convert this as encode URL. Okay, and then close. Now I have encoded format here. I'm going to click quickly. So as you can see, I have drag this formula to the rest of the dump. So I'm going to use hyperlink formula. As I said, I'm going to use www.google.com/ and then search q equals to. So this is a basic syntax. You can copy paste somewhere else if you're using frequently, and then I'm going to add and symbol, and then encoded URL, encoded keyword, or and then the searchable link keyword. Now if I hit enter, it is giving me Google Sheet formulas. So if I click on it, it directly redirects me to Google Sheet formulas. Now if I drag this formula to the rest of the cases, so what you can see is it is given me a list of links where you can directly click on it. So instead of typing each and every time, going like RAM versus RAM and iPhone 15 Pro Max price, let's try this. So this is how you can get the details like instantly without clicking on like every time going on Google and typing on them in real time. So usually these dump is taken by any third-party websites or Google Trends website itself. So you get this dump and then you convert them as a encode URL, and again then you use hyperlink formula to convert them as a real-time clickable links. So this is how you can ease your search process. I guess this helps. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in next video.